to another video. Today I'm on my farm, and if you're hearing lots of noise in the background, it's just my neighbor tractor. He's plowing the field, and today is the day when I'm filming. So sorry about the noise, just making a lot of noise. But today I just want to tell you about the functions of lilacs. I am here on my farm and it's lilac season and everything is beautiful. Everything is just blooming. The butterflies are out. It's just so pretty out here, and I'm collecting lilac. So I want to tell you the many functions of lilac and very quickly, and maybe there are some things with lilac that you didn't know. But the first function of lilac is you can use it for a tummy ache, and the leaves is the magic here. So use the lilac leaves for a tummy ache, and of course the lilac flowers. The lilac flowers is very soothing if you have an upset stomach or if you eat something bad. So the lilac flowers really take care of that. Something I think most of you do not know is lilac, the entire lilac plant, is very useful for malaria. Yes, malaria. So if you're in a country where there is malaria, you can drink lilac leaves, especially the leaves, the bark, and the flowers to help relieve symptoms of malaria. So I hope you know that. Another function of lilac is it is good for worms. So lilac leaves and flowers, especially the leaves is more potent than the flowers. If you have any like parasites or worms or something, you can drink that and it will kill the worms inside your intestines. Lilac leaves are also used for animals like goats and chickens. You can also give your animal lilac leaves because it's good to get rid of worms and intestinal parasites. And I guess you guys didn't know that about lilac, but yes, this is one of many functions of the lilac plant. And lilac, the last one I'm going to tell you, there are many more. The last function I'm going to share with you is lilac is a mild sleep aid. So if you're having trouble sleeping, you could just make some lilac tea and it will send you off to bed because it will relax you and send you off to bed. So I hope you learned something today from this video. I love learning about herbs. I love using plants. I love using any natural remedies and natural medicines. And I learned about natural medicines from my grandparents since I was a child. I learned many things, how to use medicines and plants. And when I moved to Canada, it took me a couple of years, but I learned about a lot of the plants that are here. A lot of the plants here are similar to what we have in the Caribbean, and so use them for the same purpose. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have lilac in your area, please get some lilac. You can dry the flowers, you can dry the leaves, you can grind them up and store them. You can make many things with lilac. And just don't collect lilac from the roadsides because it has so much dust and everything on it, and the flowers are really small, so you may not be able to get the dirt and stuff off. Try to go like in a forested area or area that is kind of in the like more bushy, where you can pick clean lilac. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video. When you like the video, you are letting YouTube know that people want to see this video, and so they will send it off to more people, and you are encouraging my channel to grow. So that's the way you can support me. Please guys, like the videos. A lot of you watch my videos but you forgetting to like, so please like the video. So guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah.